Sometimes it be so hot you just need to pull your wig back and just let your front breathe. Shout out to my people over there at UNiceHair for sending me the bust down quick closure glueless wig. I love a glueless wig every now and then. And my clients love them. My clients don't know how to do that on hair. So these wigs are very easy when I'm out of town, when I'm not, constantly putting wigs on them back to back. These glueless wigs are perfect. So I love getting them. So shout out to UNice. This wig was pretty much already plugged. I did not have to bleach it. The wig was plugged. The wig already had some baby hairs in it. I just went in and added a little bit more to make it like my style. But this wig was pretty much a throw on. Like, period. You take it out the box and you throw her on. This is a hat. I literally look at this wig as a hat because that's literally all you have to do is just throw it on. The strap in the back is adjustable, so if you have a bigger head, you can make it a little looser. If you have a smaller head, you can make it tighter. So the versatility is so simple but effective. Aw, period. So right here, I just have her showing you guys how easy it is to slap this wig on. I was like, let me have y'all watch her do it. It's literally that simple. You put the strap on and then you pull the wig over. Now, if you want to do a little customization to your wig, you can do it on the mannequin head. You can do it while it's on your head. Me, I'm extra. I did the most, so I did go in and I did my own type of baby hairs. And I did clean up the part. But if you wanted to walk out with her like this and just put a little makeup to match the lace, you could do that, period. So we love the easiness of this wig. Shout out to UNice. The quality on this lace was so thin, like the texture of the lace was not thick at all. I loved that. And I also loved how close this hair color was to her real actual hair color, because she dyed her real hair as well. You kind of could see it in the beginning. So this is like so on brand for her. This is like her aesthetic. This is in her color wheel. Like, she loved these colors. She loves big hair. So this wig was perfect for my client, especially when she wants something to just throw on real quick, period. You guys know I love my boho lace jelly. I use it on every install, whether I'm using glue or not. I have to have my boho lace jelly because it kind of works as a hot comb as well. Like, it keeps the hair in place. It gets the hair to go the direction you want it to go. And it's not a strong, gooey, icky feel. It's a very lightweight gel. So this is my favorite product in the boho collection. I'm going to have that in the description as well, the link to it. So you can try to get this product. Y'all need to go see what this boho jelly is about. And that's no shade. I also use it for my baby hairs as well. I don't even use a bunch. I literally just tap a little bit on the baby hairs and then I just go in and I do my thing, and I like them to be soft and effortless, and that's no shade. Baby hairs are done. I did not spray the lace. I did not tie it down. This is just what it's giving. Now I'm going and wetting the hair. I'm putting mousse in the hair. I'm putting leave-in conditioner in the hair because these curls were very realistic. Like, this wig looks like real hair. So I just love the way the curls look when you actually, put a little moisture in it and saturate it and brush them out. Not just leaving in that little loopy curl that it come in. You gotta, wet her, condition her, and brush her out. And then it's gonna give, oh, this is my real hair, period. Get out my hair. Don't touch my hair. Solange knows. Oh. And once I'm done juicing up these curls, that's pretty much the end of this install. I literally did her hair in 2 hours. And the only reason I did it in 2 hours is because I was filming, taking my time, we was chilling. But that's really fast for me. Like, I could have did this in 30 minutes if I wanted to. That's how quick and easy this wig is. All the info for the wig will be in the description. Y'all go show UNice some love. I love this wig. Look how easy it is to just slap her off. Look, I told her to pull it off. She tried to be cute. Pull it off, girl, and then put her back on, and you still gonna be giving, period. That's the beauty of Glueless, and I love it. Y'all, shout out to my SBM gang. Keep subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. But mostly like the videos, because I need these girls to spread. I need these videos to do good on YouTube. I'm trying to be a YouTuber. And we almost at 10K, so let's just go hard these last couple months. Bye, y'all.